Hi guys, just bought this in Poundland. Solar Buddeez, Amazing Angel. Looks like there's 4 in the set. Angel of Friendship, Angel of Health, Guardian Angel and Angel of Love. And they come in, looks like 2 colour sets, because I bought another one. I bought that one just for fun, and my wife made a comment, a suggestion, so I've bought another one that I'm going to take apart. So that's what we're going to do now. But in the meantime I'll show you a little bit more of this one that I filmed in the car. Before we leave these Solar Buddeez, I'll just point out a nice little touch. They all come with these double-sided foam stickers, so you can stick them in your windscreen or dashboard. But the bonus is they come with this little plate, so you stick the sticker to the plate and then get it out with one hand. Right, yeah, that's a removable plate from underneath. So you only need to stick one to your dashboard, and then you can swap out your Solar Buddeez to whichever one you want for the day. Nice little touch.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.